Sizzling summer hacks. Welcome guys to the video on sizzling summer hacks, how to stay fresh, hydrated, and bug-free. Summer can be challenging with the heat, bugs, and other factors, but with these hacks, you can stay comfortable and refreshed. 1. Stay fresh hacks. Use a cooling mist spray to refresh the face and body throughout the day. Apply deodorant before bed to prevent sweat and odor. Wear light-colored and loose-fitting clothing to stay cool. Use dry shampoo to refresh hair in between washes. 2. Hydration hacks. Drink plenty of water and keep a reusable water bottle on hand. Eat hydrating foods such as watermelon, cucumbers, and celery. Add flavor to water with fresh fruits or herbs. Make hydrating popsicles by freezing coconut water or fruit juice. 3. Bug-free hacks. Apply bug spray with natural ingredients like citronella or lemon eucalyptus oil. Use a fan or wind to keep bugs away. Wear long-sleeved and light-colored clothing to deter bugs. Plant mosquito-repelling plants like lavender or rosemary in your garden. Thanks for watching and use these hacks to stay fresh, hydrated, and bug-free this summer. Also share your own summer hacks in the comments section below.